Switzerland, a land of majestic Alps and charming villages, holds a secret treasure, Lungern. Nestled amidst towering peaks and a glistening lake, Lungern offers a glimpse into the heart of Swiss tranquility. Forget the bustling tourist hubs. Lungern whispers tales of serenity and natural beauty. This idyllic village promises an escape from the ordinary, a chance to reconnect with nature and discover the true meaning of peace. Dominating the landscape is the breathtaking Lungern Sea, a lake so clear it mirrors the sky. Its pristine waters are a testament to the untouched beauty of this region, inviting visitors to lose themselves in its tranquil embrace. Emerald waters reflect the surrounding mountains, creating a scene straight from a postcard. The vibrant hues of the lake change with the light, offering a new perspective with every passing hour. Towering above the village, the majestic peaks stand guard, their snow-capped summits piercing the clouds. These mountains are not just a backdrop, but a vital part of the region's identity, offering a sense of timeless grandeur. Hiking trails snake through lush meadows and dense forests, leading to breathtaking viewpoints where you can soak in the panoramic vistas. Each trail offers a unique journey, revealing the diverse flora and fauna of Lungern. The air is fresh and invigorating, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers. It's a sensory experience that rejuvenates the soul, making every breath a pleasure. Whether you prefer leisurely walks along the lake shore or challenging hikes to alpine pastures, Lungern's natural beauty will captivate your senses. Each path you take reveals a new facet of this enchanting landscape. Rent a boat and glide across the tranquil lake, the silence broken only by the gentle lapping of water against the hull. It's a serene escape, allowing you to connect deeply with nature's quiet splendor. Lungern is a sanctuary for those seeking respite from the hectic pace of modern life. Nestled in the heart of Switzerland, this picturesque village offers a perfect escape from the noise and stress of urban living. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to savor each moment. The slow-moving clouds and the gentle breeze create an atmosphere of calm that is hard to find elsewhere. The village itself exudes a sense of peace, with its charming chalets adorned with flower boxes and cobblestone streets leading to quaint cafes. Every corner of Lungern tells a story of simplicity and beauty. Unlike the crowded tourist destinations, Lungern offers a sense of serenity that is both refreshing and rejuvenating. The quiet streets and empty scenic spots invite you to pause and reflect. Stroll through the village, greeting friendly locals with a warm grüezi, and feel the warmth of Swiss hospitality. The genuine smiles and welcoming nature of the residents make you feel right at home. Find a secluded spot by the lake, lose yourself in a good book, and let the tranquility of your surroundings wash over you. The serene waters of Lungern Lake provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation. In Lungern, you'll rediscover the joy of simply being. Whether you choose to meditate by the lake or simply sit in silence, the peace you find here is unparalleled. Section 4. Embracing the Lungern lifestyle. While Lungern may be small, it offers plenty of opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts and culture seekers alike. Nestled in the heart of Switzerland, this picturesque village is a haven for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Hiking trails cater to all levels, from gentle walks suitable for families to challenging climbs for experienced mountaineers. The breathtaking views from the top are worth every step, offering a panoramic vista of the surrounding Alps. Rent a bike and explore the surrounding countryside, stopping at local farmhouses for fresh cheese and milk. The friendly locals are always eager to share their stories and traditions with visitors. Fishing enthusiasts can cast their lines into the lake, hoping to land a catch of the day. The serene waters of Lungern Sea are perfect for a peaceful day of fishing. For a unique cultural experience, visit the local church with its beautiful stained glass windows and traditional Swiss architecture. The church stands as a testament to the village's rich history and heritage. Attend a local festival and immerse yourself in the vibrant traditions of this charming village. These festivals are a great way to experience the local culture and meet the warm-hearted people of Lungern. Lungern offers a taste of authentic Swiss life, far removed from the tourist crowds. Here you can truly relax and enjoy the simple pleasures of village life, surrounded by stunning natural beauty. Section 5. Experiencing Swiss traditions in Lungern. Lungern holds on to its Swiss heritage with pride. Traditional festivals and events throughout the year offer a glimpse into the local culture. Witness the colourful costumes and lively music of a traditional Swiss folk dance. Indulge in local delicacies like Alplermagronen, a hearty dish of pasta, potatoes, cheese and onions, often served with applesauce. The people of Lungern are known for their warm hospitality and love for their village. They are always happy to share their traditions and stories with visitors. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with a local. You might just discover hidden gems and learn about the village's rich history. Section 6. Finding your way to Lungern. Reaching Lungern is an adventure in itself. From Zurich Airport, take a scenic train ride through the heart of Switzerland. As the train winds its way through picturesque landscapes, you'll feel your worries melt away. The journey is as memorable as the destination, offering glimpses of snow-capped peaks, cascading waterfalls, and charming villages. Alternatively, rent a car and enjoy the freedom of exploring the Swiss countryside at your own pace. The drive to Lungern is breathtaking, with winding roads offering panoramic views at every turn. No matter how you choose to arrive, the journey to Lungern is sure to be unforgettable. Section 7. Lungern, a memorable escape. Lungern is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature's tranquility. It's a place to discover the beauty of simplicity, to embrace the slow pace of village life, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. So, if you're seeking a truly authentic Swiss experience, look no further than Lungern. This hidden gem promises to steal your heart and leave you yearning to return to its peaceful embrace. Pack your bags, embrace the adventure, and discover the magic of Lungern, Switzerland's most peaceful village.